In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to produce 3 different effects in harmonica. So what is meant by effect? Effect is something which you implement into your playing so that it increases the color. It gives more feelings to the song while you are playing. You can consider as when you are cooking, you are adding more flavor to increase the taste of the food. Similarly, when you add these effects to your playing, it adds some flavor into your music. So that's the effects. So I will tell you 3 different effects. The first 2 are produced with your hand and the third one is with your mouth. So first, in order to produce those effects, you need to know how to hold the harmonica. So this is a diatonic harmonica. So first what you have to do is keep your hand like this and these 2 fingers has to be like this. Insert your harmonica in between those fingers and then the second finger, let it go on top of this thumb. You can hold like this, but the problem is when you are blowing, it pushes your harmonica inside. So what you can do is when you keep this finger here so that it has a fine grip, so even when you press the harmonica with your mouth, it doesn't go, a little bit of a grip. And then the third finger and fourth finger, it goes like this at top. Okay, so position with the left hand. In the right hand, you cover up this area so that you are not allowing any space. So the main thing is the sound of the harmonica will be produced in this area. So whatever you do outside of this area will add those effects when it comes out of the harmonic. So that's how you hold a diatonic harmonica. If you are having a tremolo harmonica, you cannot push it inside. So what you can do is approximately in the middle you can have like this. You cannot have an exact holding like the diatonic harmonica because that tremolo harmonica is bigger. So yeah, this is how you can hold this. Take the hand and let it come like this side, and here you can have like this. So now we'll start with the first effect. Hold the harmonica, close it. So the first effect is produced by vibrating your hands like this. So you can do it fast, you can do it slow. So based on that, you can get different effects. So I'll play a do re mi fa sol la ti do with effects and without effect so that you can hear the difference. Okay, first without the effect. And now with effects. So that's how you can add the effect. And the second effect is something like you can open it, close it, open it and close it. So this can be achieved when there is a long break in between the songs. Let's see how that works. So now without the effects and with the effects. And now with the effects. The third one is produced by your tongue. What you can do is you need to move your tongue very fast like this. You are cutting the air. So when you are blowing the harmonica, make sure you are blowing in a very small area like this. And then you need to cut off the air with your tongue. I'll tell you how. I'll play and show you how it makes a difference in playing. So hold it like this. Now without the effect. And now with the tonguing technique. So this is the third technique. But there are multiple techniques which I don't know. Maybe after I learn, I will make a tutorial on that. What you can do is like you can add the first effect and the third effect and produce a different effect. So say like you can use this technique and then you can use the tonguing technique as well, both together, so that you can get a fourth effect. So let's see how that sounds. See. And similarly, you can do this effect, this movement, and the tonguing technique. So that's how you can produce multiple effects in harmonica. The same thing is applicable in tremolo harmonica as well, but it doesn't sound great like the diatonic harmonica. There is some limitations because the air comes out in this big area, but you are covering only a few area, so that can be heard but not that much as the diatonic harmonica. So I don't know how this works with the chromatic harmonica, because we have a button here which has to be used frequently. So the first method without effect and with effect, the second method without and with effect, and the third method without and with effect. I won't be saying it in between, so I'll just play the three methods continuously. So that's how it sounds in a tremolo harmonica. That's all for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.